Hi everybody and welcome to Crazy Phonics again. Today I'm going to be teaching one of the phase 3 consonant digraphs. Yesterday we did the phase 3 consonant digraph ch, and today we're going to be learning the consonant digraph sh. First of all, we're going to recap over our phase 2 sounds, and then we'll go on to doing some of our sight words as well. Here we go. S, a, t, p, I, n, d, g, o, k, e, a, r, b, s, s, o, s. Okay, well done. We're going to go through our phase 2 sight words now. Go, into, no, to, I, the. And now our decodable words, phase 2. Can, big, an, his, is, him, mum, if, not, a, get, on, had, but, in, it, at, up, of, as, off, dad, and, back, got. Well done everybody. Okay, so we're going to learn today the new phase 3 consonant digraph. Let's just recap our sounds that we already know for phase 3. J, z, x, z, y, w, v, qu, and our first consonant digraph, ch. Very good, well done. So today's sound that we're going to learn is the sound sh. Can you say that sound for me? Well done. Sh. Sh. Can we think of any words that have got the sh sound in them? Dash. That's a good word. Sharp. Push. Cash. Posh. Splosh. That's a funny one. Good. Well done. So have a little chat with your adults and discuss some different words, and then we can write some down together. Well done, everyone. Okay, so we're going to go through our phase 3 sounds that we already know now, and then we're going to learn our second consonant digraph. J, z, x, z, y, w, v, qu, ch. Well done. Okay, so today's sound that we're going to learn is the sound sh. Can you say that sound for me? Well done. Sh. Sh. Okay, can you think of any words that have got the sh sound in them? This is 2 letters making one sound again. A consonant digraph. What words can you think of? Have a quick think for me. That's a good one. Sharp. Dash. Cash. Splash. Splosh. I like that one. Posh. Oh, yes. Well done, everybody. Now we're going to write one of those words together on the board using our sh sound. Okay, so today we're going to write the word. Let's go for the word splash. I like that one. So what sounds do we need for splash? What comes first? S. Well done. S. What sound comes next? P. Sp. Well done. P. Sp. Ooh, very good. Sp. Ooh. Ah. Sp. Ooh. Ah. Shh. There's our sh sound right at the end there. Shh. Let's do our sound buttons quickly to go through that word. S, p, oo, ah, and sh. 2 letters making one sound. Well done, everyone. Okay, so now I'm going to rub my board and I'm going to think of some other words that have got the sh sound in the middle. So we're going to write our sh sound in the middle of our page. Shh. And I'm going to think of those other words. We had splash, which we've written already. S, p, oo, ah, sh, splash. What about posh? I like that one. P, o, sh, p, o, sh, posh. Dash. D, ah, sh, d, ah, sh. What about, what's the other one that we liked? Oh, splosh. That was a good one. S, p, oo, o, sh, sp, oo, o, sh. Splosh. Very good. Well done. Wonder if there's any other words with the sh sound in that you can come up with. Write them down and send them over. Okay, now we're going to do some reading with our sh sound that we've learnt. Okay, let's do this one first. Sh, ah, p, sh, ah, p, sh, ah, p, sharp, sharp. Well done. So we are saying the sound and then blending the sound together to make the word. Sharp, sharp. Well done, good reading. This is one of our funny alien words again. We can sound it out, but it doesn't always make sense. K, ah, sh, k, ah, sh, k, ah, sh, karsh. Karsh. It's a funny one. And another alien word. Ah, sh, ah, sh, losh, losh, losh. Another one. Funny. Okay, well done, everyone. Okay, now we're going to write our sentence using our sh sound in a word. The sentence I would like to write with you today is the sentence, that was a big splash. That was a big splash. 5 words in our sentence. Let's say our sentence 3 times. That was a big splash. That was a big splash. That was a big splash. Okay, let's write our words. That. Now that's one of our sight words. At. That was, again, a sight word. That was a big, big. One of our decodable sight words. That was a big splash. So what sounds do we need for splash? S, p, oo, ah, sh. And there's our consonant digraph for today. Sp, oo, ah, sh. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? I need a full stop. Well done. I have written my sentence saying, that was a big splash. I wonder what sentences you can come up with for me today. Have fun. Okay, now we're going to go through our phase 3 sight and decodable words. Her, they, all, she, we, are, be, me, he, you. Well done, and now we're going to do our decodable phase 3 words. This, them, then, that, to, see, with, look, for, now, will, and down. There's 2 more that crept into the wrong part. My and was. Well done, everybody. Have a super day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.